The year is 2035. You wake up, and your AI health assistant has already scanned your biometrics, adjusted your breakfast for your cholesterol levels, and booked your VR appointment with your cognitive enhancement coach. Sounds futuristic? It's not. It's the early blueprint of a new world, one being built right now by artificial intelligence. We've all heard about AI taking jobs, automating industries, and disrupting economies. But what if the real story isn't about what AI destroys? It's about what it creates. Welcome to Emerging Frontiers, 5 future industries created by AI. For decades, we've viewed AI through the lens of automation, machines replacing tasks, optimizing workflows, and cutting costs. But according to the Emerging Frontiers AI report, we're entering a new era where AI doesn't just disrupt industries, it creates them. The report identifies 5 emerging industrial frontiers, sectors that didn't exist before AI, each redefining how we think about work, identity, and even humanity itself. These are 1. Neuro-Interface and Cognitive Enhancement. 2. Synthetic Creativity and Algorithmic Entertainment. 3. Autonomous Health and Longevity Management. 4. AI Governance and Algorithmic Regulation. And 5. Virtual Companionship and the Emotional AI Economy. Let's explore how each of these frontiers is reshaping the future. The first industry merges neuroscience with artificial intelligence. The rise of neuro-interface and cognitive enhancement. Imagine AI systems reading neural signals directly from your brain, not to control you, but to enhance you. These interfaces translate thought into action, allowing people to control prosthetics, type messages, or even compose music just by thinking. Companies are already developing brain-computer interfaces that use AI to decode motor intent, restore mobility, and amplify cognitive focus. But the real game-changer is personalized neuro-AI, algorithms that adapt to your unique neural patterns, creating a dynamic feedback loop between mind and machine. According to the report, this sector could evolve into a $1 trillion neural economy by the 2040s, redefining what it means to be human in the process. The second frontier is where art meets algorithm, synthetic creativity. Once, creativity was the one thing machines couldn't replicate. Now, AI composes symphonies, writes screenplays, and designs fashion lines. Generative models like GPT, Midjourney, and Sora have given rise to a new creative class: AI story architects, virtual directors, and algorithmic producers. Imagine opening your favorite streaming app, and instead of a movie list, your AI generates a film, tailored precisely to your emotions, your past viewing history, and even your personality type. This is the personalized entertainment economy, where every story, song, or scene is uniquely yours. But as the report cautions, this raises questions about ownership, authenticity, and the definition of creativity itself. Third on the list is perhaps the most life-changing: autonomous health and longevity management. Today's healthcare reacts to illness. Tomorrow's healthcare, powered by AI, will predict and prevent it. Digital twins, virtual copies of your body, will let doctors simulate treatments before trying them in real life. Machine learning models will forecast disease risk years before symptoms appear. Robotic surgeons will operate with sub-millimeter precision, guided by reinforcement learning. The result? A future where health span, the number of years you live in good health, becomes as important as lifespan itself. According to the report, this autonomous health ecosystem could merge biotech, robotics, and generative AI into a single longevity-as-a-service industry. With great intelligence comes great responsibility. The fourth emerging industry is AI governance and algorithmic regulation, a field that ensures the ethical, transparent, and fair use of intelligent systems. Think of it as the legal system of the algorithmic age. AI auditors, fairness engineers, and algorithmic compliance officers will be the new lawyers and regulators of the future. Governments and organizations will need certified AI oversight systems, digital frameworks that monitor models for bias, discrimination, and safety. This emerging governance industry won't just protect consumers. It will become a global market in itself, the backbone of what the report calls the AI trust economy. The fifth and perhaps most human of these new industries is the virtual companionship and emotional AI economy. As society becomes more digital, loneliness has become a public health concern. Emotional AI, systems trained to understand empathy, tone, and context, are emerging as digital companions, coaches, and therapists. AI friends like Replica, Pi, and other next-gen companions are already providing millions with emotional support. But the next step is immersive, AI beings in augmented and virtual reality who remember, evolve, and connect across your digital life. The report projects this industry will redefine wellness, mental health, and the meaning of emotional intimacy in the coming decades. The question is, can an algorithm truly understand emotion, or does it just imitate it? What makes these 5 industries so revolutionary is their interconnectedness. Neuro-AI could enhance human creativity. Creative AI could power mental health companions. Health AI could rely on ethical governance systems. Together, they form a living ecosystem, an AI-driven civilization framework that redefines not just industry, but identity, governance, and even emotion. We're witnessing the dawn of something extraordinary, not just smarter machines, but smarter societies. These 5 industries, neuro-AI, synthetic creativity, autonomous health, algorithmic governance, and emotional AI, represent humanity's next economic frontier. They challenge us to rethink not only what we build, but who we become. The future won't be written by algorithms alone. It'll be written by how we choose to use them, wisely, ethically, and imaginatively. So what kind of future will you help create? Subscribe to AI's Neural Frontiers for more insights on the future of work, AI, and human potential.